Welcome to the full tutorial for the Basic Construction Estimator. After taking Program File from CD, rename File with perhaps the name of your business. Use this main program file whenever making changes to material or labor prices, company contact information, etc. Then whenever you wish to start a new estimate, make a copy of this main program file and rename it with the estimate number, customer name, and maybe the job type. Keep all your estimates in a folder, nicely organized. When we first open Program, we see the license. Please read and only use Program if you agree with everything written in the agreement. Before we begin using Program, if you see the yellow bar on top, please click on the Enable Content button. Now let's visit the home page. Let's begin by entering the customer name, job name, and job number. And here there's a section for the address. Throughout the program, you will see boxes with either a yellow, orange, or black border. Please read the meaning for each color before using Program. On the left side of the screen are 26 categories from ground prep to roofing to interior work such as drywall and painting, and much more. On the home page, we also need to enter hourly rates, material markup, material tax rate, and miles to job site. Prices from all the categories that are selected are totaled in this section. These prices will be transferred to the quote page. To begin estimate, please select all the categories you wish to include in this quote. To go to any of these categories, click on any one of these buttons. All category pages have a similar setup. On the top left are yellow boxes containing measurements and other vital information necessary for an accurate estimate. Below this vital information section is a material list, and in the center of the page are the labor prices separated into job stages. Not all categories have this calculator to determine total square footage, but the roofing category does. To the right are default calculations with information such as linear footage per roll. For example, if you prefer to use 30-foot rolls, enter it here, and the amount of rolls will change as the linear footage per roll changes. After entering all the default measurements, there is also a section for equipment costs and subcontracting. And finally, all the totals for this category are found in this section. We are now ready to complete estimate by going to the quote page. At the top of the quote, there is room for your business logo, name, address, and contact information. The customer information has been automatically transferred from the home page. Here's a section for any legal wording you wish to include in quote. Now when we scroll to the bottom, you will see 4 buttons. Select the button that has the appropriate amount of information you wish to include in quote. For itemized labor prices, press the first button. For itemized labor and materials, press the second button. Or for labor line items only, without itemized pricing, or labor and material line items without pricing. When we go to Print Preview, we see the first page and also the second page ready to print. Material prices can be changed by visiting the Price List page. When making a price change, a good practice is to make all your price changes in your main program file, so when you make a copy of the main program file to start a new estimate, all the prices will be current. Material prices are separated into sections for ease of locating a certain material. Another feature of the program are found in these two pages found on the home page. These are used when estimating a complete home and eliminates the need to go to each separate category to enter the basic measurements of the home or building being estimated. All the basic measurements can be made in these two pages, and when the Update button is pressed, these numbers are transferred throughout the program. On the home page, you will find pages to create custom estimates, construction agreements, change orders, invoices, and receipts. Line items in these pages have to be typed manually or use Excel's copy and paste feature to copy from one page to the next.